In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoho Books password. Changing your password regularly is an excellent practice for maintaining the security of your account. Let's dive right in and ensure your account is secure and updated. First, open your web browser of choice and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Making sure you're on the official site is crucial for security reasons. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page. You'll notice a button labeled Sign In. Click on the Sign In button to proceed further into your account. After pressing Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Go ahead and do so, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. This is the main hub where all your accounting activities are organized. Here you'll have access to your financial data and essential Zoho applications. Now look towards the top right section of the dashboard. You'll see an option labeled My Account. Click on My Account to take you to the settings page where you can manage various elements related to your Zoho account. This page is where you can customize your preferences, manage your subscriptions, and most importantly, enhance your account security. On the settings page, find and click on the Security tab. The Security tab is key to safeguarding your personal information and is an area you should visit frequently to review your security settings. In this section, you'll find options related to account access, two-factor authentication, and devices you've logged in from. Once you're on the security page, you'll see another option labeled Password. This is where you can change your account password. Clicking on this will allow you to update your password. When you reset your password, make sure it's strong and unique. A good password generally includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birth date or simple sequences. After entering your new password, double check to ensure that both entry fields match, and remember to store your password in a secure place or use a password manager for greater security. Once you're satisfied with your new password, go ahead and confirm the change. And that's it, your Zoho Books password is now updated. Remember to log out and back in using your new credentials to make sure everything is set up correctly. This quick adjustment can make a big difference in keeping your financial data safe. Thank you for following along, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.